Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to my newest sewing pattern, the Romy top. So over the past few months, I've actually been posting my process of designing this sewing pattern all over Instagram, and I can't believe it's finally here for you to sew. You can find the sewing pattern on my website. I've left a link in the description box below. So I'm actually wearing a variation today. It does look a bit drooped down because of the microphone, but this is the Romy top and this is a variation with the scoop neckline. It's kind of the perfect blend of a top that isn't too fitted but also isn't too loose, and it just fits so nicely. I'll go through all the ones that I've already made in a moment, but let me first talk you through what the sewing pattern looks like. The Romy top is a knit sewing pattern and it has 2 neckline options, 3 sleeve variations, and you can sew it as a dress or as a t-shirt. So the whole point of me designing this pattern is because I genuinely couldn't find the type of t-shirt that I wanted to wear in shops. They were either too tight or too loose and too oversized. So I basically created the perfect blend that I can wear every single day, and it comes with so many different variations as well, so you can customize it. So for the neckline, you can either sew the high neck variation or the scoop neck variation. I personally love both, but I thought it would be nice to include both of them together. And then for the sleeves, you can either sew the short sleeve, the long sleeve and the flared sleeve. It really is the perfect pattern to just mix and match and choose what style you want to wear that day. And then one more extra variation that I included is the fact you can either sew it as a t-shirt or you can actually sew it as a dress, and it actually comes with 2 different dress lengths. There's a midi dress and then a midi dress. I personally way prefer the midi dress variation. I prefer the slightly longer one, but I can imagine in summer wearing the mini dress variation is going to be so comfortable and cute, especially in like a nice lightweight jersey. But no matter what variation you sew, I've made sure the instructions are super easy for you to follow, and there's even a video sewing tutorial in case you're completely new to sewing. So I've got one of the sewing pattern pieces right here to show you what it looks like. This pattern does come in sizes 6 to 32, which is a max bust of 57 inches, a max waist of 50 inch, and a max hip of 60 inch. So it's nice and size inclusive. But you can see right here, this is the front bodice pattern piece, and you have both neckline variations printed on the pattern. Here I've printed out sizes 8 to 10 because I like to grade between them. So that's the shoulder seam, and then it's cut on the fold, and then this is the top variation. If you want to sew the dress variations as a separate pattern piece, you can just literally stick to the bottom of this, and that's what creates the dress variation. So you don't have loads of pages to print out. It will be nice and concise because everything's also cut on the fold. It really is such an easy sew. I think I can sew it in about an hour, and it just makes the perfect project if you want to jump back into sewing but you don't want a big complicated project. It really is such a nice simple project to get back into the swing of things. So it is a knit sewing pattern, so you want to use a stitch that stretches, but you can use your normal sewing machine and just use a zigzag stitch, or I like to use my overlocker. This pattern comes in A4 and US letter paper sizes, so you can print this out easily at home. You can also print out the A0 file at a printing shop to get it large scale, or if you have a projector, you can use the projector files included, and all my files are actually layered as well, so you can just go ahead and print out the size that you want. It really is the perfect top for you just to throw on and actually wear every day. So I've got a handful of variations right here. There's so many that I've made, honestly because I was having so much fun sewing them up and actually wearing them. They honestly are so comfortable. Let me go through some of my favorites. So I've already spoken about this one, but I'll just show you really quickly. This is the long sleeve variation, and that just means there isn't like a flared sleeve at the bottom. And it looks like this on me. It's very nice and comfortable. And then I've got the flared sleeve variation in this lovely bright yellow pastel fabric. Honestly, it's so pretty. You can see here, that's the flared sleeve, and this is what it looks like on me. It really is such a lovely colour, and the fabric is gorgeous. So this one is the high neckline variation, whereas this one is the scoop neck that I'm wearing. And this one's actually a really spongy French terry. It definitely has a thicker weight and feel, whereas the one that I'm wearing is a very lightweight ribbed knit, which is why it looks a bit more relaxed, because it definitely has more drape to the fabric. But I absolutely love how this one feels. Honestly, it feels so nice on the skin, and if you prefer fabrics with a bit more weight to them that are knit, I definitely recommend trying a French terry. And then in the video sewing tutorial, I used the exact same fabric as the yellow one, but this is in a brown fabric, and this has also got a flared sleeve, and it is just a top option as well. It's honestly such a nice fabric, and I love this color on me as well. You can see the neckline is just finished with a knit neckband. In my video sewing tutorial, I show you exactly how to do this nice and neat finish on the neckband, because it really is simple to do once you get the hang of it. And then the sleeves are just finished with a single fold hem. You can see right there, that's what that looks like. And then the right side looks like that. It's a very quick sew, but it's honestly so rewarding. And then I've got this one as well that I've sewn in a really lovely stripy kind of jersey knit fabric. And this is actually the t-shirt version with the short sleeve. I did not realize how much I would love making the short sleeve variation, because this fits so good on. So that is what that looks like. Nice and easy. This is also the high neck variation. Yes, it is. And then the back just looks like that. It's such a nice simple t-shirt. I didn't realize until I was making this pattern how much my t-shirts I've bought in other shops don't actually fit me well. I just thought I thought t-shirts were meant to be quite tight. I didn't realize you could actually sew them and make them just a bit more looser but still fitted, but not too oversized. Honestly, it's like the perfect blend. If you try this pattern, you'll realize what I'm talking about. But t-shirts now that I've made these are actually comfortable for me. So again, just a nice simple pattern, and it looks so cute in this fabric. And then let me show you one of the dresses, because I absolutely love this. So this is a cotton jersey. This is actually from a shop called Le Mazzy Fabrics that I only used recently, and I really like their collection. So this is the midi dress variation, and this is what it looks like on me. Honestly, it fits like a glove. It's not too tight, but it's also not too loose. It just fits perfectly. And I love how this pattern looks in such a bold and colourful print. So you can see this is the high neck variation. And then it also has the gorgeous flared sleeves, and then it goes all the way down to a midi length, so it's nice and long. I just think it's going to be perfect for summer, or even like any summer holidays where you want to be a bit more relaxed but also still feel really put together. But look at this fabric, it's just so pretty and different. I've never seen a fabric like this, but obviously it's stretchy, so it just fits so nicely. So this is the midi dress variation, the long one. And then I've also got the mini dress variation. This is actually the exact same as the top that I showed you with the flared sleeve. I just sewed it longer to the mini dress variation, and honestly this again is so pretty. This is what it looks like on me, and it just feels perfect for summer or just like lazy days around the house, but I still want to feel cute and put together, and it's just such a nice staple to have in my wardrobe. Once you sew one of these, you'll be able to sew the rest of them in like literally 45 minutes, an hour maximum. It's just such an easy pattern, and it's made me realize how important comfort is to me, but also not just letting go and feeling like I'm not making effort anymore. You can still have a nice basic pattern in your collection and wear it, but you don't always have to be dressed up to feel put together. And then the last dress I have to show you is a bit of a wild card, because I wouldn't know if it would actually suit me, but it's another cotton jersey, but this is actually the scoop neck variation with the short sleeve, and it's a midi dress, so it goes all the way down to the bottom. And this is what it looks like on me. Honestly, I absolutely love this one. I really didn't think it would suit me, but when I put it on, I was like, wow, this is like the perfect blend of like casual but put together, but I genuinely feel relaxed in this outfit, but I still feel like I look cute. I honestly just love the short sleeves on this as well. I don't know why, they just fit so well, and they're just so easy to wear as well in my wardrobe. Oh, I absolutely love this one. I did not think I'd like this print, but yeah, that lovely paisley fabric in this type of colorway is just gorgeous. I purposely made the dress variations not super tight or fitted, but they're also not so oversized either. They're like a nice blend where you genuinely feel comfortable, you can breathe, you can move around, but you still feel like you're wearing something cute. I genuinely love the process of creating this pattern. You can find the sewing pattern on my website. I've left a link down below. The feedback from my testers have been so overwhelmingly positive, and it just gets me every single time when I hear how much they love my patterns. You can see some people's variations here and how adorable it looks on everyone. I just want to say a huge thank you for always supporting my business and enjoying sewing my patterns. It is such a great feeling when I make something and you guys message me saying how much you love sewing it. Definitely let me know down in the comments which one of your variations is your favourite, because I actually can't pick. I genuinely can't pick. For the sleeve, I think my favourite is definitely the flared sleeve because it's so different and fun. But for the length, I personally love the t-shirt as well as the dress. So it'd be cool to see which one is your favourite. But as always, thank you so much for supporting supporting my business and sewing my patterns. It really does mean the world to me. I hope you enjoy sewing my new sewing pattern, and I'll see you in the next one.